narrow focus, you can keep like this, a single area. Or if you want to cover in a bigger area, you can cover like this. It even goes beyond. And if I take a night lamp only, so people will say, right, if I am traveling outside, how will I use? So if you are traveling, just use with a AAA battery. If you can recharge in a car, just use this product. If you are at home, then use this charger. I think this is one of the best products for gifting. Hello friends, we have one more gadget called as multifunctional torch. You will be surprised by the way this product is designed. So you can see this is the torch. Here they have given the adjustment button, adjustment screw. This is the on-off button. The brightness of this I'll show you in a few minutes. One specialty of this product is, let me just show. You can see that the zoom area or the focus area is very small. Now you can enlarge the focus area just like a projector. So you can increase how large the focus should be. So this is how it works. Also this has the SOS mode where it starts flashing. And there is a dull mode and a dark mode. So this comes in 3 modes: full flash, dim dip or SOS mode, and a dull mode. Now talking about the charging part, so this comes with a inbuilt rechargeable battery which is of 4200 mAh, which is pretty high. Many of our mobiles have 5000 mAh and this comes for 2 days. So you can imagine how it is. And this is a lithium-ion battery which can be charged. And for charging, what you have to do is just insert this inside. There is a charging port here and there is a charger which is provided along with this. So with this you can charge. And another best part here is if you are traveling and if you want to charge it in the car. So there is a separate charger provided for charging in the car as well. So this you can connect here and charge. But ensure that you are putting this rechargeable shell inside when you are charging. The reason for saying that is this also comes with a separate shell. So this has 3 shells, you can see. A regular AAA batteries. So if you couldn't charge the battery and if you have or if you can buy the AAA batteries, then you can even use these and use the battery. There is no problem. So I am just inserting these batteries and I am just showing you. There won't be any difference in the performance. Everything is the same. Only the source of power here is different. And if you are thinking of how we have put, you can see. Let me just remove this shells and show. This is just like a cigarette lighter which comes in the car. Just insert the shells. Ensure to put positive to positive and negative to negative. The reason here is 2 comes with top positive, and for the third battery when you are inserting, you have to insert the other way. So this is how it is. And also this has a case where you can cover the battery. If you are not using, you can just keep it. This is the box, which is very neat and looks very good for even gifting purpose. So this can be charged at home, outside, or in the car, or in the worst case in the using the batteries. A pretty beautiful product. This also has a tag for carrying. This product has 3000 watt. You can see it is metal made. When you are storing, ensure to close this lock and store. Body is metal made, so it will pretty last long. No problem of any falling or anything. Thank you friends.